Good morning. I am Ellen, your Cary Realtor with Harmony Realty at Fathom. Today is a fabulous spring day in Cary. It's early April. It's going to be about 78 degrees today and sunny. And so today we're going to head out to Cary's famous parks. Did you know that Cary maintains over 30 parks and almost 3,000 acres of green space? Well, it does. And we're going to visit 6 of my favorite parks today. So stick around. We're going there right now. Jack Smith Park is one of Cary's newest parks. The spray grounds makes it a popular choice for kids, and it's peppered throughout the park with whimsical art displays. Downtown Park in Cary offers plenty of seating and amphitheater for regular concerts, and games like checkers, table tennis, bocce, and foosball. It's adjacent to the new regional downtown library coming soon. Cary Sk8 Park is another awesome park in Cary. The ramps are designed for people of all ages to ride pretty much anything with wheels. They offer camps and classes and a well-stocked skate shop. The 310-acre Bond Park in Cary is so full of features, it's hard not to see why it's a favorite of so many residents. The lake is stocked with fish, and tackle and snacks and boat rentals are available from the on-site tackle shop. The facility is a great place to rent for your next party, including the screened porch overlooking the lake. Over 4 miles of greenway trails within the park connect you to Cary's greenway system, which, when completed, will include 170 miles of trails. Designed for our active lifestyles, you'll find a bike repair station, a dog watering station for your furry friend, filtered water bottle filler, and even stations to recharge your electric car. There are multiple shelters available for reservation and a playground for kids. The Bond Park Community Center offers programs, classes, and camps, an open gym with basketball, volleyball, pickleball, and badminton. The Bond Park Senior Center is a place for seniors to connect and live an active lifestyle. There are classes and activities, places to hang out and visit with each other, and group outings such as boating at nearby Jordan Lake, group museum trips, and trips to the symphony. One of my favorite features of Walnut Street Park is the unique play structures designed for older kids. They also have a tot lot, an 1.5-acre field, and both paved and mulched trails. Marla Dorrel Park is home to the Kids Together playground. This playground is designed for kids of all physical and mental abilities to engage in multi-sensory play. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this, and get outside and have a great day today.